Hey everyone, Indy cyclist here. We're gonna try to actually get some good footage, so I'm not just looking down at the road right here. Doing a quick little run because I have finally, after a good 2 years or so, have lost my sunglasses. So before we do our morning bike ride, well, as we get started, we're just gonna go to the local CVS, you know, that place where more than likely your great aunt or whatever gets her pain medication for the undefined pain she's going through. You know, if you live in a small rural West Virginia town and everyone's on pain meds, you probably have a CVS or a Walgreens. Could be either. We're gonna go there for sunglasses though. Now the question is, how do I get to where I want to go after CVS? And that's an excellent question. I'm not actually sure. So figuring that out. Whew. Holy crap. Oh boy. That sounded like a roadworthy car. Look, sidewalks. Oh my God, they're fixed. That was a little bit scary. Usually I touch down with my foot to help with the brakes, but today, oh look, payphone. Oh, it says payphone. We're just gonna wait right here. I probably will not get the arrow. Going to the 96th Street station, failing strip mall. It's actually not quite a failing strip mall anymore. It's had several new tenants recently. And a couple closers, but several new ones. So the only cool thing about this Big Red Liquors is that that sign lights up. It's not neon, but it looks pretty cool in the evening. Yeah, vape shops are the new big thing. Some eyebrow nail place, standard Chinese takeout. Skillets, good breakfast place. I like it. Reasonably priced, and have to go far from home. Namaste, unfortunately closed. There are other Indian grocery stores in the area though. God, yeah. Mexican grocery store, they don't open till like 9 or so. Haircut place, and then all this other garbage has been here forever. All right. I have to go inside the CVS. So we will go get our sunglasses and we will be, yeah, it's spring, so everyone's mowing their lawn. We'll be right back.